Hi friends, this is Sneha Pradeep Lad. Welcome to Visava Foods channel. Today we are going to make cabbage vadi. It is little difficult to make this vadi because we are going to make it out of cauliflower leaves. So while folding it, it sometimes breaks. So we have to be careful while making these vadis. So let's start our recipe. Kobichi vadi in Marathi we say. For that I have taken the cabbage leaves like this, and I had kept these leaves for 3 to 4 minutes in hot water so that it becomes little soft. For the batter I am going to take 1 cup of chana atta, that is besan. I have taken some coriander leaves, this much of corn flour, that is nearly less than half cup, some spices. This is dry mango powder, red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric, sesame seeds, that is til seeds, black salt, this is regular salt. All these things we will add in this. Chili powder and salt you can add according to your taste. Now we will put water. This batter should be little thin. We will add little more water so that we can spread it on our leaves easily. See, like this consistency. It should not be more thin. The consistency should be like this. So let's start making our vadi. In this leaf, see, this is a thick portion, we are going to remove it. If you are able to do with this kind of leaf, then it's okay. This is also okay. In this one, we will remove this thick part. So let's start. So this is the biggest leaf I got from the cabbage. First I will put this one. We will spread the batter on this leaf first. Now we will put the another leaf. I will take this one. This we will fold from here. We are going to put this one here. Now we are going to fold it. I will start folding it from here. Be careful. like this, like this. I will put some batter. Our one roll is finished. Now we will take the another one. Friends, let's start our steaming process. Yeah, I had kept the water for boiling. The water has boiled now. Then I kept the container. Under that there is a small stand. Then I greased it with oil. Then we are putting this rolls in this container. I will cover it with a lid. In between I will check it. I have covered it with the lid. So after 10 minutes it looks like this. Friends, it took 35 to 40 minutes to get steamed. I have steamed it on a medium flame. Friends, we are going to fry the cabbage vadi. So I have kept the oil to get hot. It has got hot now. So let's start frying. After steaming the vadis, I kept it for cooling down. When it got cooled, so I have started frying it. The flame should be medium. Then we will remove it. We will cut into pieces and again we will shallow fry it. Friends, this one has turned golden brown. We will remove it. After getting cooled, we are going to cut into pieces and we are going to shallow fry it. Vadis are now nicely fried, but we are going to fry it once again so that it will get fried from inside also. Now we are going to cut into pieces. Still hot. Yeah, I have cut the vadis. While cutting it gets breakdown. It's difficult to cut. Friends, now we will fry the vadis again. I have reduced the oil. Now I will put one by one. We have taken less oil because if we are deep frying it, then the vadi starts breaking. So we are going to fry it in less oil. Friends, we are going to remove these vadis. This will take few more minutes. It's very difficult to make this vadi because it gets break, but these vadis are really tasty. See, it is coming out, so you have to be careful. These vadis we are going to remove. Friends, these vadis are now ready. I am going to remove it. Friends, our cabbage vadis are ready. I have served it in the plate. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.